Alright, this is going to be the tour of my, I guess, single wide workshop. It's an old mobile home that was stripped out and I'm turning into a workshop on wheels. Welcome back to Y Sky Garage. This episode is going to be a little bit different. So the next few projects I have coming up, I need a clean work environment. And if you've seen any of my previous videos, then you know that I work in a dusty ass barn and it's definitely not the cleanest place on earth. So I had this old trailer that I actually picked up about 4 months ago from my buddy. He had the whole interior stripped out, and I'll show some pictures of when I actually picked it up. It's about 8:50 right now, Saturday morning. I'm actually heading up to Lake County to grab a trailer. That's actually going to be my new mobile workshop, so probably won't release this video until then. So that teaser you saw just for a couple seconds, that's my mobile workshop. That's what it looks like now. Pretty crazy, right? You'll see what it looks like today. I don't even know what it looks like yet, so I imagine it's going to look pretty awesome when I'm done. So this weekend I spent 3 days just converting this trailer into a mobile workshop. Let's run the footage. If you want to see more builds like this, hit that subscribe button. You will not be disappointed. No promises, but I guarantee that.
Oh, that's what.
Okay, it's getting really hot here. We turned the AC off so it was quiet enough to film. And
Immediately.
we're immediately baking. That's like the one reason I built it for summer too. We got AC in here and this is going to be a lifesaver. I'm going to get so much crap done with AC.